I am Migar Uke. I am a life coach. Today we will discuss about anger management. Anger is one of the basic instincts which all humans possess. It is destructive in nature and considered as awful. It is a defect in humans. Everyone should try to keep oneself aloof from developing anger and getting angry. Anger is firm, basic, inbuilt, inborn feeling, and getting rid of it is not an easy task. If getting angry has already been your habit, then you feel restless without showing it. If you feel comfort after showing anger to someone or at something, then it means you need more effort to control and minimize it from your consciousness. You must diminish anger to protect your physical and mental health and also people around you. Let's see the contents of the topic. First, cause of anger. Second, effects of anger. Third, necessary action against anger. Fourth, short term and long term remedies. Fifth, key sentences and phrases. Let's begin with the first one, cause of anger. If anything goes against your thoughts, beliefs, anger will come out naturally. The root cause of anger is ignorance, attachment, dissatisfaction, ego, etc. Strong ego, superiority complex, causes you think anger should be shown on particular person or situation. I am always right attitude is the source of anger. Second one, effects of getting angry. Effects on body, which are headache, high blood pressure, insomnia, abdominal pain, skin problems, etc. Effects on mind, mental illness, anxiety, stress, negativity, etc. Effects on soul, it degrades the soul, it nourishes ego, superiority complex, makes soul impure, brings sorrow, unhappiness, destroys peace of soul. Now see effect on relationships. There is reduction in quality of relations. It breaks trust, closeness, may result in breaking any relation permanently. Now third, action to take against anger. If someone shows anger, don't react, just respond calmly. If anger continued to develop inside you or other person, ignore the person, topic or situation. If it continued, then leave the place. Leaving is misunderstood as weakness, but it's not. It means you are mature and strong. It needs courage to leave the situation and person that makes you angry. Learn and try to keep calm in any situation and develop kindness and compassion towards everyone. Think how to talk calmly and with humble and friendly attitude. Also in polite manner. If another person still continued to show anger, then leave the place. Fourth, short-term and long-term remedies. First, short-term remedies. Running, push-ups, sit-ups, exercise for releasing negativity. Do it until your anger reduces to normal. Now, long-term remedies. Meditation is the long-term remedy when it is done in right and perfect way. It removes anger completely. Fifth one, key sentences and phrases. Getting angry is like punishing yourself for others' mistake. kill the anger before anger kills you. Nothing is permanent. Let's see how to know the path of removing anger. If anger comes, ask your inner self, it is really necessary to get angry on that situation? If your inner self says yes, then you are on a wrong path. If it says no, I could have talked without getting angry, then you are on right path. If you are self-controlled, have true knowledge, selfless, peace of mind, compassion, understanding, patience, humble attitude, sensitive, then you can never get angry on anyone or on any situation. If you want to control your anger and you want to know more about anger management, then you can message me. My WhatsApp number is 9970 My calling number is 7972 896592. Thank you for your time and consideration.